maria marikitie kuhanika gukinyiria riu ngihoka ati muthenya waku no urathie na mbere kuinikirira na njira iria yagiriire. Ni njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina na tukiambiriria guku Nairobi igoti nene ria Nairobi na tukiambiriria guku Nairobi igoti nene ria Nairobi niriregire kurugamia mubango wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi wa kuhe arutwo a thukuru cia muingi irio cia ranji. Akiruta itua riri mucirithania Mugure Thande augire ati kurugamia mutaratara ucio no ta kuherithia ciana iria ciehokaga irio ici cia cukuru. Gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja augite aguthie na mbere kuhuranira mutaratara ucio urugurio ona kaunti ingi niguo guteithia arutwo na kuhuthiria aciari murigo.
Arutwo 30,435 mathukuru-ini ma sekondari na kothi cia moko wodi-ini ciothe 20 kaunti-ini ya Embu ni magunikite na uteithio wa bursary mbeca iria irekereirio ni Gavana Cicely Mbarire. Uteithio uyu wa mirioni 200 wirigirirwo kunyitira makiri ma arutwo aria aciari ao magomeirwo ni murigo wa bithi. Gavana Mbarire ni agathiririe mutaratara wa kuihuria bursary kuhetukira nenda-ini akiuga ni urehetwo waragania na uigananu kuri aria othe maraikitie mahoya.
And I'm happy that we are now using a digital system. Tukianza kila mtu alikuwa anasema hii kitu itafanya kazi kweli. And today we can proudly sit here and say we succeeded in setting up a digital bursary management system.
The only thing you can do to the underprivileged child who is not there not by design, not by choice, and for you to give them capacity to compete favorably with the children of the privileged is to give them education.
Gavana Cicely Mbarire oriti arutani anene mathukuru-ini mothe kuhuthira kigina giki uria kwagiriire na gutigirira arutwo aria magirirwo ni kugunika ni makinyirwo ni uteithio uyu.
There's an attached list of all the beneficiaries. Kindly, I beg you, go and make sure you go as per that list. If you have very needy cases, feel free to communicate through either the CEC education or the Chief Officer Education so that we can see whether whatever we have in the department can help you, especially the very needy cases that you might have and you feel surely we need to help.
Tuko katika hali mbaya sana ya kiuchumi and everybody is understanding such that when we ask about the bursary, kila mtu ana apply bursary, Your Excellency. Nowadays it's not about the needy kids. It's not even about the needy parents. It has come to a point that everybody needs this bursary.
Mbarire augite mwaka-ini ukite thirikari yake ni kuibaibia kigina giki niguo guteithia arutwo aingaingi na kuhura njiki kigina kia bursary kiria kiheanagwo ni ambunge.
This will enhance retention of learners in school and hence also ensure completion rate is very high.
Makiria ma arutwo 40,000 nio marekitie mahoya ma bursary. Ribota ino rutire tore kwa ni mwagi na
riboti iyo ya kuhigisha na hanini tu no iyo ni ya Mwagi wa Maina ya igimaine na uheani wa bursary kuria kaunti-ini ya Embu kuria thirikari ya kaunti iyo iheanite bursary ya ciringi mirioni 200 kuri arutwo a secondary na a kothi cia moko mathukuru-ini matiganite. Akiheana kigina giki kuri arutani anene, gavana wa kaunti ya Embu Cicely Mbarire augite kigina giki ni giguteithiriria arutwo na aciari ao aria mahinyiririkite ni murigo wa bithi. Na riu tugugucokia ikinya rimwe thutha tu, riu tucokerere riboti ira tukwanjiriire nayo ya kaunti ya Nairobi na uheani wa irio. Igoti nene ria Nairobi niriregete kurugamia mubango wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi wa kuhe arutwo a thukuru cia muingi irio cia ranji. Akiruta itua riu mucirithania Mugure Thande augire ati kurugamia mutaratara ucio ni ta kuherithia ciana iria ciehokaga irio cia cukuru. Gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja augite aguthie na mbere kuhuranira mutaratara ucio urugurio ona kaunti-ini ingi niguo guteithia arutwo na kuhuthiria aciari murigo.
So we are very happy that the governor himself has been at the forefront in defending this particular matter in court. In fact, we call it he was actually at the front, and we have advocated to the court, and managed, and we thank God that the court heard our pleas, to decline to issue any orders to suspend this particular noble initiative. And the court has said in no uncertain terms that the best interest of the children is what the governor has looked out for.
But we are glad that the court has really understood who is the beneficiary of this program, and that is the children of Kenya. And the court has said that it will have to put in mind the best interest of the children of Kenya, and therefore declined to issue any orders to stop this program.
Tunashukuru koti kwa sababu wamesimama na watoto wa Nairobi. Tunawashukuru kwa sababu wamesimama na watoto wa Kenya. Kwa sababu hii ingesimamishwa Nairobi, inamaanisha pia Kenya mzima ingesimamishwa. Kuna wazazi ambao wameona matumaini ya kuwa watoto wao watakula kwa shilingi 5 tu. Kwa chini ya 1,000 kwa mwaka mzima, mtoto atapata. Hata ukienda nje kutafuta na ukose, unajua at least mtoto wako amepata kitu shuleni. Hata stress itapungua. Hata maandamano itapungua. Kwa sababu unajua at least mtoto hakuna kitu kule shuleni. Ingesimamishwa Nairobi, inamaanisha Kenya mzima pia ingesimamishwa. So nashukuru koti, sisi tutapigania haki ya watoto wetu na tutaipeleka hata zaidi ya zile shule zetu kwa watoto wote wa Nairobi waweze kupata nutrition. It's the best thing we can do, I think, as a government that cares for its people.
Kuma kaunti ya Nairobi tuharuruke kinyagia gicwa-ini Kilifi. Ando matanyiheire 7,000 kuma rurire rwa Pemba ni merigiriirwo kwamukira ibande iria ikaheanwo ni President William Ruto muthenya wa rucio. Uhoro uyu uheanitwo ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri na wandikithia wa muingi Julius Bitok hindi ya mihango ya guthurima mehariria kiharo-ini gia Karisa Maitha mwena wa Kilifi kuria igongona riri rigatafanirio. Mubunge wa Kilifi ya Rugongo Owen Baya augite thabari ya gutambura andu a rurire rwa Pemba ta Kenya yambiriirie hindi ya utongoria wa President wa kana Uhuru Kenyatta na ni kihuruko kuona andu aya riu magitira gukorwo mari a Kenya.
It would help them get employment without a problem. It will help them get a sense of belonging to Kenyan nationhood. So we are really very excited this day. We are very happy. We look forward to the big day when the Pemba community, who have been living here for more than 40 years, have gotten an opportunity to be called the people of Kenya. This is really a great opportunity, and I want to thank the area member of parliament, Mheshimiwa Baya, for his leadership on this. We thank the committee who have done a lot of work to ensure that the vetting was done, the registration was done. Each and every child, even every person from the Pemba community was taken through the process of vetting, identification, registration, and finally issuance of these very important and critical documents for nation.
Kesho Wapemba watatoka hapa wakiwa na kitambulisho, wale wengine watakuwa na passport, wengine hawajaona birth certificate kwa maisha yao, sasa wataona birth certificate, wataenda kule wakijua kuwa sasa hao nchi ya Kenya imewatambua. Haija kuwa safari. Mwanzo nataka kushukuru hapa watu wanaitwa Haki Africa, Haki Center. Ndio walinifuata mimi nikiwa mbunge mara ya kwanza, akasema unajua kuna watu wako hapa wanapata shida sana. Gani Wapemba wana shida gani? Wakanielezea hiyo shida yao na mimi nikaelewa na nikasema tuanze. Alafu Kenya Human Rights Commission pia wakanifuata, wakaniambia tufuatilie hiyo mambo. UNHCR pia wakakuja. Sasa ikabidi sasa niende bunge nianze hii safari.
Kuma Kilifi tuthie kaunti-ini ya Meru. Kamiti ya kugania maoni ma muingi megie uthuthuria wa dini ni ikinyite kaunti-ini ya Meru iri na muoroto wa guthikiriria mendekithia kuma kuri atongoria a dini itiganite a kaunti iyo. Gatagati-ini ka mendekithia ma muingi gicigo-ini giki ni guthondekwo kamiti ya mwanya iria iri thuthuragia dini niguo gwithema na atongoria aria maracihuthira ta njira ya wonjoria. Masi Wadia wa Muriithi ari na riboti ino.
Gatagati-ini ga kaunti iria kamiti iri ubiro ni President William Ruto ya kuthuthuria dini icerete ni kaunti-ini ya Meru kuria muingi na atongoria a dini itiganite mekinyite kubeana mawoni megie uria dini ciagiriirwo gucokaniririo na kumurikago niguo gutikae kwiyumiria ringi kithiururikia ikuo cia Shakahola.
Mimi nikepropose kwa kanisa kama itawezekana kuna organization ama umbrella kanisa zingie kwa kila kanisa iwe iko mahali kwa umbrella kwa sababu ukiwa peke yako ndio unaona unafanya mambo ila ieleweki.
Muingi kaunti-ini ino ni wendekithitie kuthondekwo kamiti ya mwanya na kubeo wira wa gutigirira ati dini ni ciarumirira mawatho ta uria kwagiriire.
When the census bills are not friendly to PWDs, to people living with disability, they are not able to go to worship. Kama mtu atakuta kuna stairs there, akona wheelchair, huyo mtu hataweza kwenda kwa hiyo kanisa.
Bamwe na uguo atongoria a dini gicigo-ini giki ni mareganite na riendekithia ria dini kwandikithio ta gikundi, makiuga wiyandikithia uyu wabota guterebo na njira ya ngungo, na atongoria acio kuthii na mbere na gutereba dini ta wonjoria niguo kwiguna oe.
Church should be self-propagating, self-supporting and self-governing without external control.
Muthikabu Mark Kariuki uria ni murugamiriri wa kamiti no augite kumana na maruru maria akenya mari namo ni undu wa ikuo cia Shakahola marenda muingi na atongoria a dini kubeana mawoni maingi ta uria kwabotekeka niguo yatwe kwandika riboti iria kabeano kuri president igakorwo na uigiririki.
Shida ambayo tumepata ni kwamba kila mtu anaweza kukimbia na kuregister kanisa, zingine zinakuwa ni personal property na personal business. Sasa hayo mambo lazima yachunguzwe, tusije ili dini isitumike kama biashara.
Kamiti ino irigireiro kubeana riboti yayo ya muthia kuri president mweri-ini wa kenda, riboti iria kabingurira bururi mwerekera wa uthurimi wa dini. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Masi wa Diga wa Murithi.
Thegio Masi ni riboti yo, na riboti yaku ni gututirihira matemo ma mohoro ma thaa 10 no riu twathie gukuhariria mangi maingi tucemanie ciehanda Inoro hwaini na Inoro yo thaa 3 hindi yo ni tukunyitanira na ari othe makinyanagiria umemereki uyu hamwe na Kate Muthoni. Ngatho cia mwanya ugie na hwaini mwega.
Honokia mbeca he indo iria huthagira o muthenya kuma kopia mweri uyu. Thogora wa indo cia duka-ini no ukorwo na goro gukira wa kopia. Kopia, maisha rahisi.